just having an idea does not make you an entrepreneur. What makes you an entrepreneur is the execution of that idea. The Oxford definition of entrepreneurship is a person who sets up a business or businesses in the hope of financial return, which is known as profit. Now, entrepreneurship in your way can be defined as the business that you do or your designing of that business. There are a lot of misconceptions about entrepreneurship. Before I dive into it, guys, give me a like on this video. It helps me keep on going. If you just have an idea, you're not an entrepreneur. Everybody has an idea. That person has an idea. That person has an idea. I have ideas, that I'm not executing on. So, just having an idea does not make you an entrepreneur. What makes you an entrepreneur is the execution of that idea. If you know how to set a plan and then execute on that plan, then you have created your idea into an actual creation that you can earn profit on or make money from. But if it's just an idea, then it's not a business and it's not what makes you an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my entire life, and for me, that's all I know. Entrepreneurship to me has been a journey full of blessings, failures, and a lot of perseverance over things at first, which I had no idea how I was even going to get across. For me, it has been real estate. It has been me opening my ice cream shop, Rolling Ice, here in Arlington, Texas. A couple of deals in downtown, but I'm not going to limit myself because I know that I'm more capable of doing a lot more, and I do have a lot more in plan, and it's just living it day by day and getting as much done as possible. To me, I think that's what entrepreneurship is all about.
What's entrepreneurship to you?
Entrepreneurship means, for me, it means having a desire to create something for myself while helping other people and while making money doing it.
Entrepreneurs are hustlers, they're go-getters, they're not afraid to break the rules.
They take risk, not just any risk, but calculated risk. They can see the end picture or the goal.
You're somebody who works on their own time, after hours, early mornings, and you're probably an entrepreneur. Right now, I'm at my ice cream shop, rolling ice, rolling up some good ice cream. There are a lot of famous entrepreneurs that you might have heard of, like Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, but there are a lot of entrepreneurs you probably have no idea of that are still changing the world in their own small way. I would say the main purpose of an entrepreneur is to leave his own dent or her dent on this universe. No matter how insignificant that might be, it's very important that you still do it. Go out there, make your dreams, make your ideas come alive, because at the end of the day, that's what truly matters, and that's what we truly need, is entrepreneurs who can take this generation forward with their bright thinking ideas and the power to execute on those ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below on what topics you would like me to talk about. Mainly I'm focusing on entrepreneurship and business because I want to help young entrepreneurs get that knowledge across. So again, if you enjoyed the video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me to keep on going, and I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next time.